Okay, we're going to take a look at this as the third of the African masks sheet, and really the objective of this sheet is for you to take a look at some features of masks, and then in this area here start designing your own mask, which will then become your African mask, or the one that you make. So if we look at task 1, it says a look at the different masks below, colour in the parts. Looking at these different shapes will help you in task 2. So the whole idea here is you're looking at the different features of the traditional African masks, and you can transfer them across to here. For task 2, it says draw an African mask you would like to make using pencils in your own design in the space opposite. And for the challenge task, it says about using the palette of colours, which are these earth colours which we've been looking at through this project. Okay, so here's one that's completed, and the this task here, if we look at this, it says the carvers of Central Africa express themselves by making these distinctive masks. Notice how many ways a different eye can look and still be an eye that sees. Notice how many different ways a mouth can look and still be a mouth that speaks. So we're looking at different ways of portraying those features. And then once you've completed that and used the colours that it says down here, what you can then do is go across and create your mask. So there's already a shape here for you to start, but you can add extra pieces to that. Again, try and use the earth palette of colours if you can. Try and use those here, as I've done. And then once you've completed that, so you've completed this part and this part, then what you can do is you can transfer your design. So here's one that's been transferred, so we can see that from that design we started to transfer the design onto the corrugated card. This is the corrugated card, and transferred the design onto here, and once that design's on here, start cutting out the card and sticking. So there's sheet 3 of the African masks sheet, which is the small colour masks, the large mask of your own design, and then going on to making your card mask.